So hello everyone, welcome back to SKS Technical Life. And in this video, what we are going to do, let me explain with the help of example. Imagine the situations, you are outside your home and suddenly you need an important file from your laptop, or you want to run a software, or you need to show something from your laptop to someone. Okay, but your laptop is at home. So what you will do? In this video, I will show you how you can access and control your laptop directly from your mobile phone from anywhere. Okay, yes, you can see your laptop screen and operate it from your mobile. So let's start step by step. Basically, we are going to use a remote access software, and this software connect your mobile to your laptop securely. Okay, so from your mobile screen you can see your laptop screen, open files, use software, and shut down or reset, do almost everything. Okay, and in the background you can see also. So let's start the video. And one important thing is that the we are using a single email. When we are installing a software, you have to log in or sign up with a single email, means one email, and that email is also used in the mobile phone. Okay, so you have to get this access in the both system of that email. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, you have to open your Chrome browser or a Google browser. Yes, and here you have to search a Chrome Remote Desktop, and you will redirect it on this page. And here you see a first link, that is Chrome Remote Desktop. You have to click on this link. Here you will see this Google Chrome Remote Desktop, and you will see this is a system of Chrome. So don't worry, this is always secure. So you will see this here access my computer and share my screen, and you also see in below access my computer and share my screen, and you will see here securely access your computer whenever you are allows using your mobile phone, laptop, or any other devices. Okay, so what you have to do now you have to click on this access my computer. After clicking on this, you will redirect it on this page. Here you will see the below section, there is a pop-up of installation of extension. So you have to directly click on this install button, and here you see the pop-up. You have to click on this install, and you will see the system is installed. Now here you will see this download button where remote access section. You have to click on this download setup click, and now you will see this extension. You have to add this to Chrome. Okay, so you have to click on this add to Chrome. In this pop-up you have to click on add extension. When the downloading is completed, then yes, you have to come on your Chrome browser again, and you will see this icon. Here you have to click and see here, yes, the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. You have to click on this extension, and you will directly redirect it on the system. Okay, and here you will see this setup remote access. Now here you will see the turn on option is given. Now you have to click on this turn on option button, and you will see here a name of your computer. Okay, so you can, if you want to change this, so you can change, and if don't want to change, you can directly click next. And now you have to create a password for the connection, and the password contain at least 6 numbers, and re-enter. This checkbox is already selected, checked. So now click start. If you're getting any security pop-up, you have to just allow it, and you will see it's creating a connection. Yes, now our system is online. Now what you have to do, you have to open a Play Store in your mobile. Here you have to search a Chrome Remote Desktop. Okay, and yes, you will see this. You have to install this application. You have to wait for the completion of download and install, and you will see the download and install completed. Now you have to open this, and always remember you have to log in with same email which is used in the laptop. It automatically log in with the same email, but if this not log in with the same email, what you have to do, how to change this email or account, you have to click on this above profile icon, and you will see your all emails, and you have to select that email. Okay, you have to select that account, and after that you will see here the remote device which is online, and the name of that device that we are created. Okay, and now what you have to do for the connection, you have to just simply click on this remote device. After clicking, it takes some time for loading, and then you have to enter a password pin that we are created. If you are enter a wrong pin, it will not connect. Okay, and then you have to click on this arrow button, and you will see it's connecting. Yes, finally you will see the screen in the mobile also. And now let me show you that what you have to do and what you can do. Here you can see the keyboard. If you don't want this, you have to just click on this keyboard unpin, and also unpin this tab. Yes, you will see this, and you can do anything from the mobile, if you want any change in the laptop. And this feature is very useful when you forget important files, you need to submit urgent works, and you want to access office PC, you want to help someone remotely, or you want to show something from your laptop. This all the things you can done with this process and this software and this technique which I explained you. And the one most important thing that I want to tell you, that is security. The very important thing, do not share your ID and password with anyone. Always use a strong password, only connect your trusted devices, okay? Because security is very important. And now let me show you how to disconnect it, how to remove this or stop this connection. So you have to just click on this arrow, you will see here drop down arrow, you have to click on this drop down arrow, and you will see here a three dots. You have to click on this three dots and you will see a disconnect option, okay? Here you will see the disconnect option, you have to just simply click on this disconnect option and you will see your connection is removed, okay? Means disconnected. So this is all about the video. And if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe the channel for getting a more informative videos. And if you getting any error in this process, you can comment below, I definitely help you. Thank you.